This is the dog snoring. And he's actually being kind of quiet right now. Oh, we woke up. Yeah, okay, Mr. Cutie.